So let's talk a little bit about the link between CVD and cancer. So as everyone knows, the number one killer in the country remains cardiovascular disease. It is by far and always will be the number one killer for the immediate future. But number two, and shortly thereafter, cardiovascular disease is cancer. And surprisingly, there's a lot of links between the two diseases. It turns out that a lot of people who have cancer end up with heart disease, and a lot of people who have heart disease end up with cancer. In fact, there is a new profession that's emerging called cardio-oncology, because there's so much linkage between the two, and many times there are special circumstances between people who have cancer and people who have heart disease. As an example, many of the drugs and therapies we use for cancer, radiation or chemotherapeutic drugs, can actually cause heart disease, heart failure, or even coronary disease. And then there's also a variety of people who are lucky enough to survive cancer and then end up down the road with heart disease, which is still the number one killer. So it's really important that you see somebody who really understands the linkage between the two diseases and why they're so important and intertwined in a way to really improve outcomes when you're being treated.